Hey! I'm Brooklyn from Brooklyn! Motherfucker! Look at that. What do you fucking know, right? I'm in New Mexico, right? Look at this. Fucking... Oh! There's a fucking casino! What's going on? Oh, I had to reverse. Hey. I'm in my truck number 398765. So listen, I can't show you. I never take you out of the truck with me. I'm going to take you out of the truck, right? Because Brooklyn fucking... Brooklyn hit something, right? I hit something. I don't know what the fuck it was. It can't be a fucking squirrel, right? There's no squirrels here. I don't know what I hit, but shit went flying. So let's check it out. You see Brooklyn's fucking stuff. Oh my God. Brooklyn's fucking tired. I can't show you the name of the truck. Let's see what I fucking hit. Oh, what the fuck? Holy shit. I hit a fucking bird. What the? Holy shit. One thing Brooklyn don't like. I don't like to kill birds. Holy shit, look at that motherfucker. How the fuck? Look at that. Where's his other leg? His head popped up. Oh no. Oh, forget about it. Well, I got a fucking leg, right? I'll split a guy's head open with a baseball bat, right? But I will not kill a pigeon, but it is what it is. Fucking bird. I gotta deal with him later, right? Alright. The poor little fucking birdie. I feel bad, right? Still prayer. Fucking little bird. Go to birdie heaven. Alright. So, I'm gonna go across the street, right? Right? My fucking mother goes, Brooklyn, I worry about you, Brooklyn. You're gonna go to jail. You're gonna get... You're gonna drink too much. You're gonna forget where the truck is. I says, Ma. I says, forget about it. I'm fucking Brooklyn, right? Alright, so, if I don't go to jail, I'll have a story later. I'm Brooklyn from Brooklyn.